Hi everyone, this is Horma from Garden Plant Lover. I'm going to introduce Chocolate Miracle Tomato. This is my very favorite tomato. I grew it for the first time last year and it is going to be stable in my garden. The plants put out very large tomatoes, like around pound weighs. This is one of the best black tomatoes, or the best black tomato I have ever tried so far. Let me cut it inside and show you. Look at the juice, and it is very meaty, and it is juicy, but like it, oh, I can't say enough about this tomato. Oh wow. It is beefsteak. It is beefsteak, as you can see, and the flesh is so smooth and silky, and it is juicy, and it has that deep earthy flavor with smoky touch, and it is low acid. And most of my tomatoes are low acid because I cannot tolerate acidic tomatoes. If I find out like the tomato is acidic, I don't grow it anymore. So my reviews are not usually for the acid lovers, but this tomato is worth trying. It's very, very good tomato. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel, Chocolate Miracle Tomato.